Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to log in to your Wix store dashboard. Whether you are managing an online store or just starting out, accessing your dashboard is essential for tracking sales, managing products, and customizing your store. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your web browser. Start by opening your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other web browser you use regularly. Step 2. Go to the Wix website. In the address bar, type www.wix.com and hit enter. This will take you to the Wix homepage. Step 3. Click on Sign In. Once you're on the Wix homepage, look for the Sign In option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your credentials. You will be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your Wix account. Make sure to input the correct information to avoid any login issues. Step 5. Click on Login. After entering your email and password, click on the Login button. This will direct you to your Wix account dashboard. Step 6. Access your store dashboard. Once you are logged in, locate and click on the Site Actions button on the left sidebar or the My Sites option. Then, find and select the specific site that is connected to your online store. From there, click on Manage Site to access your Wix store dashboard. Step 7. Explore your dashboard. Congratulations! You are now in your Wix store dashboard. Here, you can manage products, view analytics, customize your store design, and much more. Thank you for joining us in this quick guide on how to log into your Wix store dashboard. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful.